Hi, my name is RIVERA-MORALES. I'm a third-year finance student at the University of Puerto Rico at Bayamón, and I have experienced the changes in the facilities for the past 3 years, and that is why I'm qualified to do this research.
Hi, my name is Camila Castro Morales. I am in my third year of college and my concentration is finance.
Hello, my name is Tatiana Arroyo. I'm a student of the University of Puerto Rico in Bayamón. I'm making a bachelor in business administration with a minor in marketing, and I am currently in third year. I'm qualified to do this investigation. I will be explaining to you the executive summary, the background, and the methodology of this investigation. The following summary presentation the research performed, the basic findings and recommendations for the facilities maintenance at the University of Puerto Rico in Bayamón. As a group of college students approaching their fourth academic year, we decided to investigate the physical conditions of the campus, but specifically about how students feel and what is the quality of the environment and studying that they feel on campus. We believe that as students, we have to deal with a lot of pressure with our education, the studying, so we need to be in a place that we can have peace besides all the education and the hard work we put in our career, on our future career. According to the Middle States Self-Study Report for the University of Puerto Rico at Bayamón 2022, the university received over $10 million for technology support and infrastructure. In addition, the university received close to $16 million from FEMA for damage to infrastructure after the natural disaster of hurricanes and earthquakes in the past few years. As students, we have a doubt. Where are those funds? We need it to our campus, so that's the most questions and topic that as a student we concern. A survey was conducted on undergraduate students at the University of Puerto Rico at Bayamón for 3 days. The additional research included pictures of the campus conditions and reports regarding the effect of the dirt in air ducts on the health of students and administrative workers. The 19 responses to the survey available for 3 days were analyzed and are presented in the graph. The University of Puerto Rico official's website was examined to find the mission and vision of the physical plant department, and in addition, research regarding the effects of the cleanliness of the campus facilities on the health of students and workers was conducted.
Our survey led us to the following results. Difference in the conditions. 31% of surveyed students said that there were little changes in the condition of the campus, which brings us to the question, where is the use of the funds received by the institution? Another thing we wanted to know was the opinion of the students on the facilities condition. 100% of the students said that the facilities are not in good condition. With the campus in great condition, there will likely be an increase in the students' performance because they will be more motivated to go to campus and learn in a safe environment. Next, we asked which building was the most deteriorated. And they say that the building 200 is the most deteriorated. Taking into consideration that in these buildings the students are taking notes, experimenting, and having to work with chemical substances every day, it is very important to have a great working conditions. Next, rest and study areas. The students perceive that there are not enough well-trained areas for study. This means that the students do not have a good place in which they can study, reunite with classmates, and rest in their spare time on campus. Students need well-trained areas to improve their knowledge and ability to learn. Next, we wanted to know the effects of the facilities condition on the concentration and health of the students. Concentration. The facilities condition do not affect the concentration and study of 58% of surveyed students. Even though the majority says no, 42% of the students say yes. So it is only prudent to make changes and provide good study places, well equipped with chairs and tables in good conditions. This will help increase the productivity of the students and improve their concentration. Now, the effects on health. 53% of the students do not know if the facilities condition affect their health. According to more heating air conditioner, there is dust, pollen, and bacteria in the air conditioner ducts. This can cause headaches, rashes, allergies, and asthma, which correlates with the responses to our survey. Next, we wanted to know if the students had any knowledge about the funds received by the institution, and the majority of the students didn't know that the institution received funds for the improvement of the campus. The University of Puerto Rico at Bayamón received over $70 million to improve the infrastructure and technology support of the university, without summing the $100 maintenance fee that the students pay every enrollment. Funds management. Students consider the bad management of the funds received. We can come to the conclusion that this is because in the last 2 years, the university has deteriorated, the inside of the buildings are not in good condition, and the air ducts are filtering water, which guides the students to have this perception. Next, we asked the students which was the major problem that should be taken care of, and the most important problem is the air conditioner duct cleaning. This problem should be taken care of as soon as possible because all the courses are given in classrooms with air conditioning, and with the COVID-19 situation in Puerto Rico, the cleanliness of the air conditioning ducts should be the priority to ensure the well-being of students, professors, and administrators.
Our team conclusion is based on the facility maintenance of the University of Puerto Rico at Bayamón. We did a research and found out that between the Middle States Self-Study Report and FEMA, the university received some fundings close to $70 million for infrastructural damage and technical support. Also, we did a survey with 12 questions to undergraduate students. We wanted to know if the physical conditions affect them in some way, like their health or their concentration to study, if they think that the university have enough places to study and if they are in good conditions, if they know that the university received some fundings and if they have noticed some changes in the physical conditions. The results presented that the majority of the students have noticed very little difference of the physical conditions and that they think the worst damaged building is the 2000. They also think that the university have received some fundings but have not used it in the right way.
Hi, my name is Jovan Perez. I'm currently in my third year and my concentration is accounting. I'm going to give some recommendations according to the research we carry out. We could target the 200 building, for example. By working on this building, the university will improve the number of students that can take their classes by opening new courses and bringing new professors as well. In other hands, the cleaning of the air conduction should be one of the first priority, therefore Earth health could be in danger to the bacteria it creates. In this case, fixing the old duct and keeping them up to date should alleviate for some years the need to replace all the air conductions. Now, the most common problem is the lack of information. We found some alarming factors that should improve, which include the poor decision making and the poor management of the funds received. Therefore, we suggest that the relevant agencies be more attentive to the financial data of the university, avoiding the funds corresponding to the infrastructure being adverted.
And these are the references of all the information that we presented in this presentation and the research report. If you have any doubt, you can contact us via email. Thank you.